Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. Oh man, yeah, we got the Blackstone E-Series out, folks. I'll tell you what. I don't know if I told you a story when I bought this. It was last spring. This is December now, and it was late spring, and I had been looking for these every week. I was going. Everybody was saying you can get them at Walmart. You can get them at Walmart. So once a week, I was going to Walmart. I like to go to Walmart early Sunday mornings. Nobody's there. I can go and get what I need. And anyway, I was back in the grill department. Imagine that. And I got distracted by another grill. Imagine that too. And I was just about ready to walk out, and I saw the price on another Blackstone, I think it was. And I said, oh yeah, that's a pretty good deal. And then I looked one shelf below, and there she was, one box of the E-Series. I said, oh yeah, it's coming home with me. And so most of the summer I didn't cook on it. Now, because when I got it, I said, when it starts getting cooler out, and daylight savings time, this thing's going to be used a lot. And that's what it is here. It's December 9th. It's a little chilly out. Had a little bit of cold rain during the day today, on and off. Wasn't bad. But I want burgers. And, I want burgers on the flat top. Why not on the Blackstone, right? So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make kind of a smash burger. I know they're not, that's not how you make a smash burger. Well, this is how I make a smash burger. Quarter pounders. Oh man. But I am using 80/20, and I'm putting cheese on the inside, some onion, minced onion, dry onion on the inside, a little bit of tiger sauce, and some seasoning. I'll give you a look-see at them there meatballs. You've seen me kind of do that again. If you haven't, Tom Horsman on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. And then once this gets, I think it goes to 4 or 5 of those little things. That means it's up to 500 degrees. We'll take a temp, and then we'll smash them. Gonna be delicious. All right, there's our quarter-pound meatballs, more or less, that we're gonna smash. You've seen me do this before. I put the cheese on the inside. I'm using Wisconsin extra sharp cheddar. I buy bags of cheese, and they always disappear. And I was wondering, where the heck are these doggone things going? And I wasn't aware of it. My wife takes and puts them in the freezer. So I've been buying all this cheese, and she thinks I'm not using this, so she closes it up, puts it in the freezer. I got like 6 bags of cheese in the freezer. Oh my gosh. And then, a little bit of tiger sauce, because it's made from real tigers. And we've got the minced garlic, this chopped onion from Kirkland. That's really good stuff. And you can see I'm just about out. Some of the Farm 407, because I love the pepper and how spicy it is. Stuff is really good. And then, you know what? For a little bit of sweet, Burn Pit Barbecue, all ration, all purpose general. I'll tell you what, check them out, www.burnpitbarbecue.com, folks. Let's get the smash in. All right, let's see how hot it's been. We've been preheating now for about 10 minutes. Let's take a look here. 522. Like I said, this thing gets hot, hot, hot. Now, it is not cast iron. It's aluminum, and it's got this secret titanium coating, which really makes cleanup very easy. This lid is a key to the whole component, helping to hold the heat in. And it's going to lose heat faster because it's aluminum. But I would expect that, cast iron. Would it be nicer if they had cast iron for this? Yeah, it would, but it takes away some of the portability. But it would be nice if they offered a version that was cast iron. I agree, that would be nice. All right, let's get to smashing. Now, I do have some smashers, but they're all metal, and I don't want to put any metal on here, so I'm just going to use a plate, and I'm going to smash them like that. And a piece of parchment paper would work probably pretty good too, just to keep them from sticking, but they're not sticking, so. This is 80/20, by the way. Okay, there they are, smashed. I'm gonna let them go for a while, and I don't know, a minute or two. I've never done these on here, and I am gonna close this down just to help. Yeah, I am gonna close this down just to help hold the heat in. So we'll probably go 2 minutes, give them a flip. Oh man, coming up on 2 minutes here. A lot of steam. Look at the cheese melting in there. I tell you what, that's all I got. Rubber spot. This one's good to 400, so it should be fine. Oh yeah, look at that. Kind of put them in a little bit different spot, because this area right here where we're cooking, in this area, along with these in the back, that's going to be cooled down a little bit. So I'm going to put it on the area of the griddle that's going to be still hot. So just move them around, put them in the spots that are going to be hotter. You know what I'm saying. All right, you can barely see them. There's so much steam in there, and that helps. So we did 2 minutes, flipped them, and then we did 3 minutes. Oh man. Look at that. I like it. I like it a lot. Put them back in the original spots, Tom. Come on. Yeah, that's where they go. And then while I'm just going to give these a minute or two, I'm going to take a bun right there in that juice. Oh, yeah, that's that. And let that steam and grill a little bit. Oh, that's going to be good stuff. Show you when it's plated up. All right, so I regret not showing, I just pulled them off, and I regret not showing this. I took 4 sheets of paper towel and went around, and I had some ooey gooey, especially in the back, cheese stuck on there, and I got the majority of the grease and everything out of there, and then I took another section, 4 sections of paper towel, and look at that. And I'm gonna wash it and everything, and I've got to wash that, but talk about easy cleanup. Oh man, I'll tell you what, this thing is impressive. All right, there's our buns toasted. We got that one burger on there. And you're saying, well, you're going to put anything on there? Well, I've got some homemade pickles. My wife's girlfriend, Jeanette, made that. And then some stadium sauce, secret stadium sauce. So it's a secret. I can't tell you about it. And I'm not going to cut that open, but let me cut one of the other ones open, which are going to be lunch tomorrow. Let's go right through the middle of this one right here. I'm sacrificing part of my lunch for you folks. Look at that. That's done all the way. 5 minutes on the Blackstone E-Series. Folks, I'll tell you what, live in an apartment, in a trailer or something like this, or even like me where I've got the land, the grills at my disposal, but during the winter, on a weekday night after work, you know, it's dark out, it's cold out, it's raining a little bit, pulling that thing out, easy cleanup. Tom Horsman on YouTube, folks. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And as always, I think I just said that. Thanks for watching.